Question 3. Gwesty Trife is a guest house and has 6 bedrooms. 2 of the rooms are described as double, so they have a double bed, so that's room 1 and room 2. 2 of the rooms are described as twin, they have 2 single beds, which is room 3 and room 4. And 2 of the rooms are described as single, they have 1 single bed, which is room 5 and 6. So looking at the scale, room 1 and 2 are doubles, 3 and 4 are twins, and 5 and 6 are singles. So I'm going to write over here, room 1 is a double, room 2 is a double, room 3 and 4 are twins, and room 5 and 6 are singles. Let's have a look at the following conditions in this question. The people listed below have contacted Gwesty Trife requesting rooms for dates in July 2016. Sasha and Mia want to share a twin room for the 6th and 7th. So we've got 3 dates there. So the twin rooms were room 3 and 4. So Sasha and Mia were room for the 6th and 7th. So for the twin room here, I'm going to put Sasha and Mia across the 6th and 7th of July. And I've done that one in the twin room. So they are using the twin room for both of them. Mr. and Mrs. Jones want a double room for the 5th. So a double room would be room 1 or room 2. So I'm going to put Mr. and Mrs. Jones in room 1 for one night on the 5th of July. And that's the second one done. Flavia wants a single room for the 5th and the 6th. So the single rooms are room 5 and 6. So I'm going to put Flavia in room 5 for the 5th of July and Flavia in room 5 for the 6th of July. Mr. and Mrs. Evans want a double room for themselves and a twin room for Mr. Morris and Ivan to share for the 3 nights, 5th, 6th and 7th. So that double room is available for Mr. and Mrs. Evans. So Mr. and Mrs. Evans can have the double room for 3 nights. And the other twin room is available. So Morris and Ivan. So Morris and Ivan can have room 4. Which leaves us with a daughter, Helen, will join them on the 6th and the 7th. And she requires a single room. So the only 2 single rooms are 5 and 6. Room 5 has been booked out for the 6th. So Helen will need to have a single room for the 6th and 7th. And Mr. and Mrs. Egerson want a double room for the 6th and 7th. So double room is room 1. That's available for the both of them. So Mr. and Mrs. Egerson. And then we've completed that question. We've ticked off every single option and we know that's complete.